Let's get set for a great week ahead. In today's Sunday Reset, I have a grocery haul for you. We'll be prepping all of our produce, getting the refrigerator restocked, and I'll be ending off with laundry. We are just getting back from vacation, so you know the laundry is never ending, coming back from a week away. I am definitely looking forward to getting back into our regular routine. So join me today as we get everything reset here in the house to start ourselves off for a great week. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, taking the time out of your day to watch. I hope you get lots of homemaking motivation. How was your week last week? Did you do anything fun? Was it day-to-day ordinary things? Leave a comment down below letting me know how it went. I'd love to hear from you. As I said, we were on vacation. We did go stay near the beach, and unfortunately it rained every single day that we were there. We had a few breaks in the rain, so we did get to go to the beach and let my son play for a little bit, but it was kind of on accident. We weren't like already in swimsuits and prepared to go to enjoy a beach day. We just happened to be at the pier and were able to let him play with the sand. Other than that, we didn't get to enjoy the beach, but that's okay. It was still nice to be away. This week we got some spaghetti, mini carrots, grapes, strawberries, zucchini and summer squash, a peach, peppers, bananas, snap peas, bag of vegetables, spinach, yogurt, mini cucumbers, eggs, some steak and ground beef, pepperoni, hummus, 2 different kinds, regular and chocolates. We got these little pita breads, this Dave's bread, some Snickers bars, some pound cake and Ready Whip, some mozzarella sticks, some fluff, and peanut butter, and some popcorn. Even though our vacation didn't go exactly as planned, we still have to appreciate time away. Remind yourself that inner peace comes with letting go of what you assume your journey is supposed to be like right now, and sincerely appreciating it for everything that it is. You are enough, you have enough, and you do enough day by day. Be present, reset, and reflect. This is the day that we got back to the house after vacation, so we quickly stopped at the grocery store and grabbed what we thought we would need for the week. I didn't get a chance to make a whole grocery list, so we kind of were going off the fly cuff here, thinking about the things we knew for sure we needed, and then also a few meal options for the week. So this grocery haul for us was not perfect by any means. There's definitely a few things that we missed that we do need to go run to the store again and grab, but that's all right. We just wanted to make sure we had some things in the house to have dinner for this night and a few other dinner options, snack options, breakfast options, that kind of thing, as we're home a couple more days before we actually started the week. So I figured I'd just start the video here, and then after this I'll show you the next day because I was so tired after getting home. I unpacked everything right away, so I just did the grocery haul and put everything away, and then we will pick up again the next day. This is the next day. I am going to wash all of the produce, the vegetables, and the fruit, get everything restocked in the refrigerator the way that works best for our family so that we are consuming everything. And this also really helps me when dinner time comes around to be able to just grab what I need, get it all chopped up and cooked in a really quick manner. Do you prep everything as soon as you get home from the grocery store? Most days, normally throughout the week, as soon as I get home from the grocery store, everything gets washed before it goes in the refrigerator. But the day before, I was so tired from just coming back from our vacation that I said, I will just do this tomorrow when I have a little bit more energy and can get it done in the best way instead of just trying to throw it all together. Sometimes you got to give yourself a little bit of grace and peace in what you're doing on a weekly basis, especially when your schedule is changed up a little bit. When you return from vacation, are you someone that unpacks right away, or do you just put your bags in the closet and let them sit for a week or so? Leave a comment down below letting me know. I am someone who has to unpack immediately when we get home. I bring all of our bags upstairs, I start the wash right away, and have everything put back in their place. So then as my day's going on, and especially the next morning when I get up and do my normal morning routine of getting ready, putting my makeup on, getting dressed, I know where everything is and everything's put back in its place. But let me know, what type of person are you? Leave a comment down below. On this day, we brought my son to the zoo. We did go to the zoo last year too, but he was only 1, so I'm sure he does not remember it at all. So now he is 2. We brought him to the zoo again, and he loved it. He loved seeing the birds. There was lots of monkeys. His favorite animal to see was the tigers. He did not want us to leave. He kept saying, no, 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 and holding on to the fence, wanting to watch them. He was growling at them and meowing at them like they were cats. He absolutely loved them. I think they were his favorite because he really likes the live action Jungle Book movie, and Shere Khan is in that. We watch that quite often. So I think that in his head, he just knew right away what a tiger was and thought it was so cool to see one live in front of him. There was 2 of them. There was like a normal orange and brown colored one, and then there was also a white one. It was a really fun day. We went with my sister and my nephews, and we had so much fun. And then after the zoo, we came home. My husband is outside doing some yard work. I'm in here finishing getting ready for the week, getting our kitchen and refrigerator all set for the week, and my son is just relaxing. Being out walking around in the zoo was pretty exhausting for him, and I'm sure his brain is just so overwhelmed with everything he just saw and learned about. If this is one of your first times watching my Sunday Reset videos, I always wash all of my produce with white vinegar and water. I let it soak in the bowl and get all clean. It's amazing how much dirt the vinegar takes off of the fruit and vegetables. And then with these strawberries and grapes, I always like to rinse them off with water because sometimes the vinegar can leave a little bit of a flavor on them. So I rinse them off with water, strain them with the salad spinner really well to help them dry a little faster, and then I put them in mason jars for easy access for us to consume throughout the week. The strawberries I always let sit out here on this cloth for a little bit longer because they take a little bit longer to dry, and I like to put them away as dry as possible. It just allows them to last so much longer during the week, and for the most part I am the only one in the house that eats all the strawberries, so I do try to make sure that they last me throughout the week so that I can have a few every day. I love to have strawberries in my yogurt. Strawberries are probably my favorite fruit. I'm scrubbing down the sink with Dawn Power Wash after cleaning all the fruits and vegetables. I always make sure to give my sink a really good scrub after doing this. And since we've been gone for a few days, it has not been scrubbed down since we've been gone. But making sure to clean your sink out is always important because it is known to be one of the dirtiest places in the house. I always put a paper towel at the bottom of the mason jar for the strawberries to soak up any additional moisture. I do this for strawberries and blueberries. I don't ever do this for the grapes though. The grapes always seem to last totally fine without having too much moisture, I think because they have a thicker outer skin. But putting the fruits in mason jars has definitely extended their life, which is great because it's just the three of us. We don't have a very big family in our house, so fruits will last us an entire week. I'm sure if you have a bigger family, you'd have to get either more fruits or maybe you have to go shopping twice during the week, depending on the size of your family. Most of the time, I just put the strawberries in with the stems on them and just leave them whole, but I ran out of bigger mason jars, so I decided I'd just cut up the rest of them. I just took off the stem, then cut them in half, put them in smaller mason jars, and that saved some space for me. And it was nice to just go grab the jar and then just dump out the strawberries, not have to take the extra step of cutting them up. If you do this as well, do you put your strawberries in whole or do you always cut them up? The kitchen is all set and ready for the week. The fridge is restocked, pantry is restocked, all the fruits and vegetables are cleaned and cut up and ready to go. Now I'm just gonna fold some of this laundry that was in the wash here after our vacation. There was lots of loads of laundry and I still have a few more to go. Our washing machine is kind of struggling. We've had to kind of reset it, change out the filters, that kind of thing. It is rather old, so we are anticipating and planning to have to get new washer and dryer pretty soon. So my husband was in here trying to fix some things and he moved the little cart that's usually on the inside to the middle. I don't know if that just helped him be able to fix things better or he just thought it was nice to change it up. I'm not sure, but if you're curious why that's changed, that's just the reason why that has moved. But I am looking forward to getting a new washer and dryer. If you have recommendations of which ones you like, leave them in the comments down below. I'm super curious to see what is new out there and everybody is enjoying for washer and dryer. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me today and get set for a great week ahead. I hope this gave you lots of homemaking motivation and you leave here feeling like you were just hanging out with a friend. If you have not yet, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.